Hello, good morning. I'm Chris. Let me explain to you how to navigate our GPRS account. Okay, pasok lang po tayo sa GPRS website. Key niyo po yung mygprsexpress.com/network. So once you're a member, meron na po tayong user ID. So we can log in. And of course, key in your password, right? So ito yung una niyo po makikita sa yung account. So punta po tayo sa iCash. This is our services. We have remittance, bill payments, online bookings, and online shop. Plus meron po tayong loading and fund transfer, right? So what do you need now is meron dapat kayong fund sa iCash, alright? So in order to do remittance and bill payments, online and booking, kailangan po natin yung iCash. So let me explain to you the remittance, right? So we have few services in remittance. First is the iCash to iCash. So ito yung paraan ng pag-transfer ng pera mo from your iCash to another dealer iCash. So ang charge po natin dito is 25 pesos every transaction, right? So what you need is just key in the dealer number of another person or another member, the amount, and your password, and submit. So next will be the iCash convert to load funds. So ito yung paraan ng paglipat ng pera mo to loading and fund transfer. Ito yung ginagamit po natin sa Pasaload. Okay? So next will be the iCash to GPRS outlets. So what do you need to do is just key in the sender name, beneficiary name, and the amount. So ang charge po natin dito is only 60 pesos, right? So click process. Then lalabas po dyan yung transaction or yung reference number. So what do you need to do is ang ibigay nyo doon sa beneficiary is yung reference number at pumunta lang po siya sa any branches or outlets ng GPRS. We have 550 outlets right now sa buong Pilipinas. Now let's go to iCash to Smart Money. This is the facility of Smart Telecom. So what you need is to key in the Smart Money number, amount, and enter your password. Ang charge po natin dito is only 60 pesos at ang napakabilis po to. Just 1 minute marireceive po ng ating beneficiary. Alright? Next will be iCash to GCash. So it's the same as the Smart Money, but it's under Globe Telecom. So what you need is key in your GCash number, amount to transfer, enter your password, and our transaction charge is only 60 pesos in any amount. Next will be the iCash to my Visa card. Okay, ito yung paglipat ng pera from your iCash to your ATM. So let's say gusto mong withdrawin yung pera mo, so you just transfer it to your Visa card. Okay, ang charge po natin dito is 30 pesos every transaction. So just key in the account name, the account number, and the amount. Right? So next will be the iCash to Visa card. So sa system po natin, pwede po tayong bumili ng ATM para sa ating pamilya sa Pilipinas or in any part of the world. Okay? So you can transfer some of your amount in peso to the owner of the Visa card. So ang halaga po ng Visa card natin is only 100 pesos plus 125 sa delivery. Right? So what you need is just key in the account name, account number, and the amount. 1 minute lang din po to at ang charge po natin ito is 60 pesos. Alright? So itong GCash, Smart Money, GPRS Visa card, same as the iCash to GPRS outlet, napakabilis po ng transaction natin dito. In 1 minute, matatanggap na rin ng beneficiary po. So next will be the iCash to credit to the bank. Okay? So ito yung paraan na pag-remit ng pera sa mga bangko sa Pilipinas. Okay? So we have a lot of banks in Philippines. No? So what do you need is piliin mo yung bangko, yung account number, account name, at yung amount na i-remit mo. But the disadvantage of this service is medyo kamahalan if I compare to the other services. For example, sa BPI, they have charge of 110 pesos plus service charge of 60 pesos, total of 170. For the other banks naman is 100 pesos for the bank charge, and service charge is 60 pesos, total of 160 pesos. Right? So next, let's go to bill payments. So ang maganda po rito, yung nagpapadala ng pera sa Pilipinas for the bill payments to their family. So, kayo na po ang magbayad para mabawasan po natin yung trabaho ni Mrs. o ng mga anak natin o your parents natin. So, they no need to go to the Meralco, PLDT to pay the bills, right? So, iwas na rin tayo sa mahabang pila sa traffic. And, importante dito, iwas po tayo rito sa hold up. So, ang charges po natin, every transaction is only 10 pesos. Napakamura po. So, just imagine your savings. So, you can pay any bills here. So, even your insurance, no, sa bank, sa charities like Bantay Bata, sa mga schools, nandito na rin. And even those companies in provinces like Davao and Cebu, nandito na rin. And those cable TVs, telephones, water, nandito na rin po. So, SSS, pwede na rin po tayo magbayad online sa halagang 10 piso lang po. So, if you are in abroad, iwas na po kayong pumunta sa mga remittance center na nagbabayad ko napakamahal. Use the system just for 10 pesos. Nakasave pa kayo ng time. Right? So, napakadami po na pwede natin bayaran natin dito. Okay, next, let's go to online booking. So, we have domestic flights and international flights. So, let's try domestic flights. Okay, meron po tayong one way and round trip. So, let's say, try from Bacolod to Manila. Then choose the date. Then number of adults, number of children and infant, and choose whether it's a senior citizen. Then let's try economy. So, ito po ang kagandahan sa ating system, no? I-arrange ng system po yung pinakamahal o pinakamura to pinakamahal accordingly, right? So, ito yung sa from Cebu to Manila, then this is from Manila from Bacolod to Manila and Manila to Bacolod. Okay? So, pwede po tayong mamili. Let's say Cebu Pacific and another one is Air, pero pwede po natin i-book yan ng sabay. And choose the flights. Now, insufficient fund po tayo. Hindi po tayo pwede mag-book nang wala po tayong laman sa ICAS. Okay? So, next will be the online shop. So, ito yung mga packages natin for dealer, sub-dealer, retailers, and Visa card. So, you can purchase all these packages online using our system, the GPRS system. Okay? So, hindi mo na kailangang ihatid yung product. It will deliver to the owner o kung sino mo yung gusto maging dealer from, let's say, from Philippines, Hong Kong, Singapore. So, and let's say yung Visa card naman, ito po yung ipapadala po natin sa ating mga relatives sa Pilipinas like wife or your husband, sa parents mo. So, 100 lang po yung price niyan, and ang delivery po is 125, so it's total of 225 pesos. The next time na magpapadala po kayo sa remittance is use your ICAS to the Visa card, right? So, next, punta na po tayo sa loading. Ito yung pinaka-hot ngayon sa Pilipinas, loading. So, it is a part of retailing na ng mga tindahan sa atin. So, we have a regular loads, okay? Ito yung mga pa 20-20 na loading. Ang importante rito, dapat naka-online ang mga yan. Okay? So, pag hindi po naka-online, naka-offline, wag po kayo mag-load kasi hindi magiging failure yung transaction niyo. Right? So, just key in the number in Philippines. Wag niyo pong ilagay yung plus 65, okay? So, the amount and submit. Right? Next will be the special loads. So, every company sa atin, yung mga telcos, meron din sila mga promotion like Alltex 10, 1 day, you know. So, mamili lang po tayo kung ano yung preferred ng ating mga customers. Okay? So, meron din sa Red Mobile, sa Sans. So, kompleto po yan. Then, we have prepaid cards. Nandito po yung sa mga mobile phones, Smart Body, for example. And we have Globes, Sans, even the PLDT and IDT cards. Nandito rin po. And we have the prepaid card. Okay, meron po rin po tayo rito. And yung mga prepaid na landlines, meron din po. Yung mga game, meron din po rito. Internet gaming. And cable cards, Sky Cable. Okay, meron po tayong internet cards. So, kompleto po. So, just imagine how much your investment in GPRS. Sa dami po ng ibibenta na rin. It's very good talaga. Napakagandang pamnegosyo sa atin. So, next, we have a transactions. You can open your transactions. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-create ng another database para ma-monitor mo yung kita mo. So, nandito po, lahat na yung mga transactions mo. Makikita mo kung magkano yung nabenta mo. Makikita mo yung magkano nabawas sa amount ng load mo or your fund. Right? So, for example, nagbenta po ako rito ng 50 pesos. Ang debit niya is only 44.48. Ibig sabihin yung profit ko is 5.52. Naiwan na po yan sa aking account. Hindi po yun nakuha, hindi naiwan sa aking account at pwede ko na pong ibenta yan. Alright. Next, punta po tayo sa fund transfer. Ito po yung ginagamit natin para mag-load dun sa mga retailers natin, yung mga bumibili ng retailer's card. Alright. So, ang ikikiin po natin dito is yung registration code na makikita mo sa likod ng retailer's card. So, kung hindi nyo po maalala, okay, yung taong bumili, but kung hindi nyo maalala yung registration code ng taong bumili, but you can remember the name, you just key in the name and search. Right? So, makikita nyo po yung registration code. Okay? So, yan. Nakikita nyo yung registration code na R414785 ni Salvador Silorio. Ilalagay nyo lang po yan. Then, makikita nyo rin po rito kung magkano yung remaining balance niya. Right? Pag transfer mo, kung amount, magkano man ang bibilhin niya, then enter your password. Right? So, after that, isubmit nyo lang, then refresh, makikita mo na yung balance niya later on. Okay. So, that's all for today. At ito po lahat yung business natin. From remittance, bill payments, online booking, online shops, and loading. And we have also the branches. Para makita nyo, punta lang kayo sa locations and choose kung saan man siya, sa Visayas, sa Mindanao, o sa NCR. Okay? And thank you very much for your time. See you. Bye.